The steam engine. What is the steam engine? The steam engine is an external combustion engine. It works to convert the thermal energy of water into mechanical energy. The heat resulting from the burning of coal boils water that turns into steam. That steam is captured and directed to feed a series of elements that start the machine. Thomas Newcomen was the one who invented the steam engine in the year 1705. His invention was used as a basis for several inventions of the Industrial Revolution, such as the locomotive, steamboats, and factories, among other things. How does a steam engine work? In a boiler, water is boiling incessantly after being heated by a fire fueled by fuels such as wood, coal, or oil. It boils. Number 2. When it boils in the boiler, the steam that is generated is concentrated, generating a high pressure, and in that state it is directed to a closed chamber known as the steam chamber. Number 3. The steam from the boiler enters in the chamber, where a cylinder is located which, by the expansion of the volume of the water, pushes a piston through a crank mechanism to the circular movement of this piston becomes a movement of translation of rotation. Number 4. This movement is capable of rotating wheel, for example, for a locomotive, or even cause the rotation of a rotor in an electric generator. Number 5. When the cycle ends, the piston returns to the place where it started, and all the steam is expelled with inertia, applying the kinetic energy. Number 6. At the same time, a series of valves produce a renewal in the entrance and exit of the steam flows, also constantly. The evolution. Coal was cheap and abundant during the Industrial Revolution, but the invention of the gasoline engine in the middle of the 19th century heralded a new era. Steam engines are extremely inefficient, losing around 18–19% of the energy produced from coal, which meant they had to burn huge amounts of coal to produce huge amounts of used energy. The gasoline and diesel engines have been based on totally different design, internal combustion engines. Gasoline or diesel are burning inside the cylinder, not outside, and this internal combustion of the engine makes them more efficient considerably.